Hi friends! In this video I'll show you 5 useful life hacks with cling film. Many people use it only for storing food, but it's actually a great help for cleaning and organizing your home. I'll show you some simple ideas that really work. Cleaning the oven rack can take a lot of time, removing all the grease and carbon deposits. Cover the table with cling film. Take an oven rack and place it on cling film. Spray a grease remover or oven cleaner on top. Then completely cover the rack with cling film. Let it sit for about 10 minutes, or for stubborn stains, leave it for up to an hour. Do not leave the rack on the table or countertop. It is better to place it on a plastic bag. If the grease remover leaks, it will ruin the surface. Look how black everything inside has become. Remove the cling film and wash the rack. The cling film prevents the degreaser from drying out, making it much more effective. The grease and carbon deposits begin to soften, making the rack much easier to clean with a sponge or brush. Another advantage of this method is that there is no pungent smell throughout the kitchen, because the cling film keeps the fumes inside. A few minutes of your time and your oven rack will sparkle again without any effort or long scrubbing. Floor brushes constantly collect hair, fur and small debris. Then you have to clean all this out by hand for a long time. To make cleaning easier, you can wrap the bottom of the brush with cling film. As you sweep, the hair and debris will cling to the film, not the brush itself. After cleaning, you can simply remove it and throw it away. This is especially convenient if you have pets or long hair. The brush stays much cleaner and you don't have to constantly wash it. Large blankets, duvets and throws often unravel in the closet and take up a lot of space. Fold the blanket either your usual way or as I am showing you now. And wrap it in cling film. This will prevent it from unraveling, keep its shape and take up less shelf space. This makes storing things much more convenient, especially if your closet is small. The cling film also protects the fabric from dust and helps organize seasonal items neatly. If your rug is constantly slipping on the floor, you can use cling film. Place the cling film under the rug in areas where you frequently step. If you don't do this but only place the cling film in the corners, the rug will still slide. Friction reduces the carpet slippage. This is a simple, temporary solution that can help if you don't have a special anti-slip backing. It's especially useful for small rugs in the bathroom, hallway or kitchen. The secret to a perfectly clean refrigerator and kitchen shelves is cling film. Line the refrigerator shelves or the countertop near the stove with it. If something spills, like sauce, milk or juice, you won't have to spend hours scrubbing the shelf. Simply remove the soiled cling film and lay down a new one. This significantly simplifies cleaning and will help keep the shelves clean longer. And one more helpful tip. Store the roll of cling film in the fridge. Once cooled, the cling film will stick less to itself, unroll more easily and tear off more smoothly. These are some simple yet useful cling film life hacks. Let me know in the comments which method you liked best and how you use cling film at home. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.